I'm going to finish off the Loft Surfaces tools by starting with this second option on the Loft Surface toolbox. That's this one. We'll leave everything in place, and this one is Loft by sections with guide wires. I'm going to use this set of profiles, and what I've got is either a solid or a surface wedge. Either will do. I'm going to use this bottom edge as the guide wire, and I have two circles. They're going to be my profiles. So the surface will be generated by the two circles. This one is larger than this one, and the surface will follow this curve. So let's see how this goes. Note that continuity is in position for both. So follow the prompts, select the curve path. That will be this edge. The arrow you see belongs to the curve, not to the circle. Now I go and select the first circle. Control data point on the second circle to select it. Note that my arrows are in the right direction. That's good. Data point and data point. Let's shade the surface, and we see the tube wrapping around the wedge. Let's do a rotate to see exactly what we've got. We see the tube wrapping around that edge of the wedge. Okay, so far so good. That takes care of this set of tools, but you'll notice that next door is another Loft surface. This is Loft surface by vertices. So let's have a look at that. Much simpler, and I'm going to use this set of sections. What this does is create surfaces between vertices by selecting edges. So let's try this. Watch the prompts. Select curve edge for start group. Well, I want to draw a surface from this edge and control data point on this edge. So my surface will come from these two edges. I want it to come across to this profile. So now I just normally select this, not control data point. But now I control data point this one to select the second one. Data point in the view. Looks good. Data point again. And let's shade it. There. Let's do a rotate. We see that we have three surfaces generated because of the complexity of this, but going from the two back edges to the two front edges. Now, as you practice this, you may find some difficulty in actually generating some surfaces, depending on which of the edges you select. Some things simply can't be done, and MicroStation will tell you that it's impossible to complete that operation, and you'll see that in the status line. So try some other surfaces with these two profiles, and then use other profiles that you've already used before.